Today, I'll walk you through how to set up and configure the email field in your MailerLite sign-up form, the single most important element of any form you build in MailerLite. Without it, there are no subscribers, no campaigns, and no list. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The email field is what MailerLite uses to uniquely identify every person who signs up through your form. It is the one field that is both required and irreplaceable. You can customize your form in dozens of ways, but the email field must always be there. The good news is that MailerLite includes it by default, so in most cases it will already be sitting in your form, ready to go. To get started, open MailerLite and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Forms. This brings up every form you've created, whether that's a pop-up, an embedded form, or a landing page sign-up. Find the form you want to work with and click Edit next to it. Give the editor a moment to load. It can sometimes take a few seconds to pull everything in. Now you're inside the form editor, and this is where you can see every field currently sitting in your form. Take a moment to scan through them. You're looking for the email field. It usually appears near the top since MailerLite places it there by default. If you see it, go ahead and click on it. That opens its settings panel on the right side of the screen, where you can adjust things like the label, the placeholder text, and whether the field is marked as required. Keeping it required is the standard choice. You don't want anyone submitting the form without actually providing their email address. Otherwise, the whole sign-up is meaningless. If the email field is missing, perhaps it was accidentally removed during a previous edit, don't panic. Use the field options or the add field menu within the editor to bring it back. MailerLite will let you re-add it from the list of available fields, and once it's back in place, you can configure it exactly like any other field on your form. And that's it. You've now confirmed, added, or configured the email field in your MailerLite sign-up form. Your form is ready to do exactly what it's built for: collect subscribers and grow your list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.